Hello, today we will guide you through how to add employees in Manager.io. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a new employee record from start to finish, so your payroll and people records stay organized. We'll move step by step, keeping things simple and clear, and I'll share tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. Begin by opening Manager.io. You can use the desktop application or the server version, depending on how your organization is set up. Give the app a moment to load your business file. If you work with multiple businesses in Manager, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Next, look for the Employees section in the sidebar. This is where Manager keeps your staff profiles, which can later connect to payslips, expense claims, and other HR details. Click Employees to open the employee list. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, which is perfectly fine. Now create a new record. Click the New Employee button. This opens a form where we'll enter the basic information for the person you're adding. Start with the employee's name. Use the full legal name if your accounting and payroll processes require it, or keep it to a clear, consistent format used across your organization. Consistency matters. Whatever format you choose, stick with it so searches and reports are accurate. Next, enter an employee code. Many teams use short, unique identifiers to make records easy to reference, like a number or a short alphanumeric code. Keep it unique, simple, and meaningful to your organization. If your company already uses a numbering scheme, follow that same pattern. Add the address. Include enough detail so mail or official documents reach the right place. A complete street address, city, region, and postal code will help your records stand up to audits and streamline correspondence. Enter the email address. This is helpful for sending documents and keeping contact details in one place. Type carefully and double-check for typos. Small errors here can cause delivery issues later. When everything looks correct, click. Create to save the employee. You'll be taken back to the employees list where you should now see the new entry. If you spot something that needs updating, you can open the record again and make changes at any time. That's it. You've added an employee in Manager.io. Keeping these records clean and consistent makes payroll, reporting, and communication far smoother. Repeat the process for each team member, and your employee directory will quickly become a reliable source of truth for your organization.